Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it has been a little while since I have done an unenveloping. So, I don't know if you guys recognize who belongs to the purple packages, but I'm super excited because I was stalking somebody's Etsy shop, and literally, if the person, I don't think that she watches my videos, but if she does, she will understand that I, for 3 days, refreshed over and over and over again her page just so that I could get a hold of this. All right, so this is one of 3 things. This is from Paddywaxx, Distracted by Diamond with Robin, and this is Super Sticky Wax. I'm so excited. I'll have her link down below for you. She has her own Etsy shop, and I have the Paddywaxx in some containers. Let me see where they're hiding. So I have this blackberry. I have, oh my gosh, you guys need smell-o-vision. I have this grape nahili, nahai, I think. And then I have, oh, there's one more. I have pear hiding somewhere. And then I have this one, which is raspberry lemonade, which I'm super excited about. So that's the regular Paddywaxxes. And then I saw she now has super sticky. And because I am a angry driller, I guess, I need the super sticky. So we're going to try this out in just a few minutes. She always sends some candy, and oh my goodness, she sent some ABs. So I can practice my super sticky with these ABs. Oh, Robin, you are amazing. And she sent some stickers. Look at that. I just said I was an angry driller. There we go. And she's snoozing. She's snoozing. And then she always gives like a custom thank you, like, you came back to visit us again. You rock. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel, Distracted by Diamonds, or visit her friend, Tiny World of Wonders. So yeah, so that's kind of cool, and then I will enjoy that candy. And then separately, she didn't realize I had scored this because I was stalking her. Separately, I was able to get this. This is kind of something she just does from time to time, and I was super excited to see that I was able to nab it. There's another piece of candy. Again, she has these cute little notes. I love them because inside are the stickers. Again, same thing of Distracted by Diamonds and Paddywaxx. So, guys, I love the fact that she has cover minders in her containers. Oh goodness. This was not going to break. So when I saw this, I thought it was super cute. And of course, anything that is hard to get is so fun to have in your own stash. And so from time to time, she posts on her site when there's one available. Oh my goodness, Robin, you did amazing making sure this was not gonna get damaged. So again, like I said, I will have her shop down below. Check her out. And you will need to stock her from time to time, but look at this. This is a unicorn cover minder, and so it's absolutely gorgeous, super heavy, but isn't that amazing? If you don't know what a cover minder is, a cover minder is something that holds back your paper. I'll show you in just a minute. So let me get these out of the way. I'm going to pause you for just a minute. Okay, everyone. For you, it was millisecond. For me, it was 2 or 3 minutes. But I wanted to show you this cover minder and how you take one magnet on one side and one magnet on the other, and it holds your paper back. This is the one I'm working on right now. Forget your big on. And I have this one, did not come from Robin, it's my own. That someone gifted me, so I'm going to use that for my second side right there. Okay, so I have 2 colors out because it's so chaotic right now with what's going on in the painting. I'm going to take the current wax that's in here out. So I take my tweezers and very carefully pull the wax out. Put it in my trash. Put the cap on the tweezers so I don't kill myself. And then the super sticky, you can put your pen right in, I'm guessing. But I'm scraping. Okay. And then I usually on the side or on the paper kind of get it up in there. All right, so I am looking. Let's see how this works, people. It's super sticky. And this canvas doesn't have as strong a glue as it should. But do you hear that? Oh my goodness. This is amazing. And the nice thing is it was just room temperature, and my area is a little bit cooler because I am in the basement. Yeah. And it's working. I'm having trouble with the adhesive of this canvas. And so I think combating that with it being super sticky wax. So I'm wondering, because my drills are popping really bad. So I don't think it's the wax. So I'm going to keep using it, keep getting used to it. But I can see how, as a heavy driller, somebody who likes to press hard, and I wonder if that comes from me when I use the mesh ruler having to press through the circles, and if I've just kind of gotten in that habit, or the fact that I like to checkerboard, so when I place down a drill in between 2 drills, I'm like pushing, you know, the drills aside to make way for the middle drill. So who knows, it could just be that I'm a super stressed out individual, and that's why I diamond paint anyway, to relieve my stress. But I'm really enjoying this super sticky, so I'm gonna see how long it lasts me, and I'm so excited about this. I'm going to actually keep my eye out open for more of them, and maybe I can purchase one and sweet talk Robin into one of the purple and pink ones as well. We will see, but I love that. It's so original, so fun, so 3D. And if anybody tries to tell you not to diamond paint, you can like stab them out of the way. But you didn't hear that from me, okay? So that's my unboxing from Robin. Thank you so much, Paddywaxx and Distracted from Diamonds. I do have something else coming from her soon. I was hoping that would come today, but it hasn't. So maybe I'll be surprised tomorrow. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.